Hello friends, welcome to Swan Studio. My name is Sai Swan. In this video, I am going to share my first travel experience of the year. Our trip is from Vijayawada to Hyderabad in a four-wheeler. Throughout the journey, we can see beautiful flowers and good scenery of mountains. Vijayawada is surrounded by rocky mountains and famous for the hilltop Kanakadurga temple. Now we are heading towards Hyderabad. Let's go! We are now in Hyderabad. You can see the famous IKEA showroom on the right. We can also see tall and beautiful buildings all around. We are now on our way to the world famous Ramoji Film City. You will be spellbound by the first look itself with the major attractions over there. This is the tallest water fountain of Ramoji Film City. It is very beautifully sculpted. There are many beautiful gardens where movies and songs are shot. This is just one of them. This is the Bhagavata set. The moving faces of the figures here attractive. The setting is also beautifully sculpted. The Bahubali sets is one of the worth seeing sets. There is a bird house where all international birds are kept. Their bright colors and movements are a good treat for your eyes. There are a wide variety of parrots and pigeons. We can also see parakeets, macaw, lorikeet and golden pheasant over there. On the last day of the year, between beautiful color effects, the sights were more awesome. It was just wow! Especially walking through the Mughal Gardens sparkling lights, it was mesmerizing. We could not click pictures there as all our batteries were down. It's a great day for me here and it will be an unforgettable memory for me forever. On the next day, we visited Salar Jung Museum. In the museum, there are various galleries displaying the cloths, cookware, books of Salar Jung kings. In the Ivory Gallery, we can see the skills of the ancient times in the beautiful sculptings. Various other accessories, weapons, shields and guns used during their time were all found in the museum. The special attraction of the museum is the English bracket clock. It contains a mechanism by which a small toy figure of a man comes out of the door a minute before every hour and exactly at the 68th minute rings the hour bell as per time, example 5 times at 5 o'clock. We set back home the next day and that's all about my short trip. Thank you for watching friends. Stay tuned, stay safe, bye bye. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.